Music that jumps off the silver screen. This summer's Corner Performing Arts Center will come alive when two beloved favorites echo through the halls. And here to share more on the Hearts and Heroes concert is Wojtek Malewski, music director for the Summerville Orchestra. And a warm welcome to cellist Pearl Wright, winner of the 2025 concerto competition. Glad to have you both with us.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How long have you been playing the cello?
I've actually been playing for 9.5 years.
And how old are you now?
14.
You're 14. And before we got started, I was asking, you know, being such a small child playing the cello, I would imagine that the cello would have to match your size.
Yes.
So the cello grows with you.
Yes, it does.
Tell us a little bit more about that.
So I started in, I think, a 1/8 size, and I just very recently moved into a full size.
You did?
Yes.
Okay, so full size, so now she's an adult.
Pretty much.
So this is like learning how to drive. She's got her license.
So this is it.
Now, you had competed against many other people in this competition.
Mm-hmm.
What was the piece that won you the competition?
J.C. Bach Cello Concerto in C minor.
And you had to do that all by memory.
Yes,
you couldn't
I did.
read music. So how long did it take you to practice and to learn that piece?
About 4 years. I started memorizing it about 3 years ago and kind of really just perfected it probably in the last year.
Wow. Wojtek, what did you notice in her in particular, in Pearl, that she deserved the award?
There's an obvious musicianship and just passion about the music that Pearl plays with, and Pearl always sits on the outside in our cello section in the orchestra, and I always get comments from every single patron in the hall, like, who's that young cellist that's just playing their heart out every time? I'm like, well, that's Pearl. And so we're really excited that we get to feature Pearl on this concert. And she absolutely blew us away at the concerto auditions, which is open to any musician in the orchestra, no matter how long they've been playing in the group or their instrument.
Age doesn't matter.
Age doesn't matter, ability, so it's open to everyone, and she blew us away this year, so we're excited to feature her.
That's wonderful. I've got more questions for you, but I also want to I want to make sure that we do get to the concert. So this is a wonderful combination of music. Well, they're both soundtracks of very famous movies.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit more.
Absolutely. So The Patriot has a huge connection to the Low Country. I mean, some of the scenes were set in Charleston, but shot in Charleston area as well. The big scenes shot in Brattonsville, up in not in the Low Country, but further up in South Carolina. But Middleton Plantation, Cypress Gardens, both very, very much a part of the setting of some of these scenes in the movie. So to sort of honor the America 250 celebrations, we wanted to play The Patriot to kind of honor that Low Country connection, but also the Revolutionary War tie-in as well. So that's opening our concert. It's a kind of a big way to open with the John Williams score. But then we jump into one of the most famous, beloved soundtracks of all time, one of the famous movies of all time, Casablanca. Iconic soundtrack as time goes by, of course.
And you're also going to be performing on the 14th as well on Valentine's Day. So it's a great date night.
Perfect.
Wonderful date night. You are going to be ending the first half with a special solo, is it?
Yes.
Okay, what are you going to be playing?
That's the J.C. Bach Cello Concerto in C minor.
You are. What do you love about music, and do you have any composers that you particularly relate to?
Oh yeah, I absolutely love Dvorak. I've noticed in his music he has a lot of cello lines, and they're just so beautiful and melodic. And I also love Shostakovich. I love the passion that he puts into his music. Each piece that he writes just has an incredible story.
Yeah, it really does. And you were brought up in a musical household. So tell us a little bit about your mom and your sister.
Yes, so my mom plays the piano. She actually started teaching me piano when I was about 7, I think, and then so she's a wonderful pianist, and I love playing with her. She actually accompanied for my audition. And then my sister's a violinist, and she's played in the Summerville Orchestra, and so we play trios all the time.
Well, it doesn't sound like you're going to be stopping anytime soon.
Oh, no.
Is this going to be a lifetime pursuit for you?
Yes, I hope to be able to be a soloist, or at least get into a professional orchestra.
And how did you happen upon the cello?
My mom actually said, you are going to play cello, so I said,
really? So it was mom's choice. Okay.
Yes.
So you didn't work through a few different instruments before you landed on cello.
No.
So cello,
Yes.
Really? Why is that, you think?
Well, she wanted my sister to start on the cello because she absolutely loved cello, but she read that you needed to start on violin.
Yeah.
Weird philosophy there. So she started my sister on violin. She's 5 years older than me. And then she's like, okay, it's time to switch to cello. She's like, I don't want to switch to cello. So it's like, she's going to be the cellist. And so when it came time for that, I was really excited to start because my sister, I wanted to be better than my sister.
You do, nothing wrong with a little sibling rivalry. A little competition is always very healthy, isn't it? That's great. Well, best of luck to you.
Thank
You
you.
have a very bright future ahead. Just want to remind everyone, Hearts and Heroes, this is February 13th and the 14th, and this is happening at Summers Corner Pack. So you want to make sure you get your tickets. Have a wonderful time. Great way to spend Valentine's Day. It has been a pleasure to speak with both of you.
Thank you so
Great
much.
to see you again, Wojtek. All right, we'll be back after this.